And what of the child? Was he not, says I am, was he? Muddled breath, says I. Meringue! Meringue for truth? Doth meringue not have cream for oranges? Yes, I see it in the air now. Meringue. Fleet and scatter, poor drabbards! Nay, a monkey upon thy chest. I see the way now. A banana upon thy flue. Portobello mushrooms upon thy grave. Well, it appears I was the more than it became. How quaint and somewhat diagonal that I might find you upon a lady's cushion. Nay, forgiveness not until the moment I am dead. Bees! Say it is not true. A honey for your truth, bees. Bees. Honey be not bees, but bees be honey upon the beehive. Get thee to bed, for I have found myself in bed twice, nay thrice. Nay, 'tis but morn, and porridge shall it be for all, but on the morn of my birth no less. Ha 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 ha! Bees! Bees!